Stay up to date with your employees' responsibilities. Add Firmbee users as coworkers. Check the list of active projects associated with your coworker's profile. Directly in the project, you can send your employees automatic, repetitive questions, check-ins, to gain information about the statuses of their tasks. Check the answers and comment in real time. Easily check how the employee's overall workday looks by going to their agenda. Go to the timesheet to check the productivity and workload of your team. Check which tasks and events take the most time. Analyze how much time certain tasks and projects take to complete. Generate employee costs based on their timesheet. Forward the information to the accounting and payroll department.
Start using our all-in-one project management system. Go to Firmbee.com and use for free.